What's up, guys? Today we're going to be setting up a ring alarm. It's a 5-piece kit plus extra keypad. Yeet. Base station. Keypad. Other keypad. Keypads. The base station. Did they really give me no accessory plates? Yeah! Let's open the contact sensor box. There we go. Let me just set that there for now. Keypad adapter. Range extender. Kaboom. Yeet. That was me. And finally, the last accessory, motion detector. I wonder why that's broken. Oh right, I forgot I got it on eBay. What the heck happened here? The heck happened here? What the heck happened here? Why is there tape everywhere? And the final thing in the box, the power supply. La la. The rest I'm going to do off camera, so thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Jump scare in 3, 2, 1.